Okay, today I want to show you how to fix a common issue that happens with our VA-4-3915 series with the 4-way borescopes. As you can see here, there's this annoying green screen, and your first inclination is that perhaps your borescope is damaged or broken. This is not the case. Actually, this is something that can be fixed in your camera settings. What has happened is that this borescope has been toggled to a different probe, and so the camera is confused at what resolution it should be running at. So to fix this, you just go into your menu, you choose your camera. That's the first on the list, so you can just choose that. If it's not on that, you can toggle through here. So I'm choosing camera. Now, as you can see, there's different settings. This one's on 5.5, which is the incorrect setting for this camera. You want 3.9, which is the diameter setting for your probe. So what you do is you just come over here to the arrow key, go down to the VGA 3.9, press OK, and there you are. And so now, as you can see, my picture, take a picture of my hand there, is clear again. So we're reset and ready to go again. So always make sure, just to recap, that your camera setting, so I'm going to go here to my camera, is always set to the correct diameter, in this case a 3.9 diameter probe. HD, you might want to get a better picture, but that actually will mess your screen up too. You just want to go back to the menu and fix that with going back to the correct setting here. I hope this helps out.